Good evening, everyone. So, in the previous class, we talked about different types of keys like home key, end key, numlock key, and various other type. So, today we will be reading one more type of key. Let's see what is it. So, today we will be talking about escape key. The spelling is ESCAPE, escape key. It is also said to be as ESC key. Now, where this key is located, if you see in a keyboard, if you have ever seen a keyboard, or if you have a keyboard at your home, or you can see in this picture also, there's a keyboard is shown there. You can see at the extreme left side, at the top corner, there's a key in which it is written ESC. This is the escape key. We will talk about what is the function of this escape key. Okay, so today we will be talking about another special type of key named as escape key. The spelling of escape is ESCAPE, and the meaning of escape in Hindi is किसी चीज़ से बचना. So, if you find in a keyboard, this escape key is present as ESC. Entire escape is not written. In a few keyboard it might be written, but usually it is present as ESC as you seen in the previous slide. What is the work of escape key? Suppose, imagine a situation. You are playing game in your monitor. You are using your keyboard to, suppose you are playing a car race game in a computer. So you're using your mouse, you're using your keyboard to move your cursor left, right, up, down. So when you're doing that, and suppose by mistake or by knowingly also you press this escape key, then that game screen will automatically be disappeared. वो चला जाएगा, कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन से वो चला जाएगा, it will disappear, and your monitor screen will be appeared. This desktop will be appeared. Another example, suppose you are doing any painting. You have opened the painting tool. Painting tool is also there, isn't it? In which you are doing the painting in computer. So when you open that and you are painting, and if you press escape key, that painting tool will also be disappeared. हट जाएगा. So any command given to the computer, if you press escape key, that command stops. So what is the function of escape key? The function of escape key is that it helps to stops or prevent any command appearance in the monitor. So in the next video, there is a video which shows you the different types of keys and their function.
Hi Clico, I'm back to know more about computers. Today, I want to know more about the keyboard.
Welcome back, Rini. I have told you that the keyboard is one of the important part of a computer. Do you remember what a keyboard is used for in a computer? Well, then the keyboard is a device which is used for typing in the computer. It contains many buttons on it, which are called keys. Do you know how many buttons are there on a standard keyboard?
No.
There are 104 keys on a standard keyboard.
Yes, I can see alphabets and numbers on the keyboard.
Yes, the keyboard contains 26 alphabet keys from A to Z. We can type words and sentences in the computer using the alphabet keys. The number keys are also called the numeric keys. It consists of numbers from 0 to 9, which are the basic numbers. The numeric keys are used for typing numbers.
What are these arrow keys for Clico?
The arrow keys are called the directional keys to point to direction up, down, left and right. They are used to move the cursor in any direction on the computer screen.
Liko, what are these keys on top of the keyboard? They are named from F1 to F12.
They are the functional keys. They are used to perform special jobs.
What are these two big keys which have enter written on them?
They are the enter keys. They are located at two places in the keyboard. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line while typing.
Which is the long key at the bottom of the keyboard?
That is the spacebar key. It is the longest key in the keyboard. It is used to give a blank space between letters or words while typing. Rennie, can you see the key on the left side of the keyboard which has caps locks written on it?
Yes, Liko. What is it used for?
When you wish to type letters in the capital case, then you need to press this key first and then start typing. All the letters will appear in the capital case.
Yes. Now I know what most of the keys on the keyboard does. Thank you, Liko.
Thank you class for watching the video. Now the work for you is that you will revise the second chapter working with keyboard, learn about the different keys, what is their function, how it works and where it is present in a keyboard.